This jar looks absolutely unreal. And I need every single thing in this jar. So let's get started. This side I would wear, this side I wouldn't wear. And they also gave me this bag of freebies. So let's start with the freebies, even though I know everybody's so excited about them. Okay. These are stickers. Adorable. Some more cutesy stickers with words. A horse, strawberries, flowers, coffee. Ah! Oh my gosh, I am putting that on something. That is so cute. These are cute. Some more stickers. Adorable. Thank you so much. And then this. Let's just forget about my actual ring. Literally the best freebie. Let's put the jar back and let's get into some of these that I couldn't fit into the jar. Okay. This ring. Yes. I freaking love that. Okay, this is kind of tricky. Okay, I'm gonna put that on my thumb instead. Literally obsessed. Literally obsessed. This gorgeous crystal. Do I even have to say anything? Yes, I would wear. Her? Yes. The answer is yes. Yes. Jar's back. I think we all know what I want to look at next. It's no surprise. I've never seen anything like this. This is so mystical, magical. Oh my gosh. Okay. I gotta move on if I want to finish this jar, but I will wear her every day. Spirit animal. Okay. Let's go to this one. This has some gold detailing on it. Yes, I would wear. She's beautiful. Let's go to this bracelet. Yes, I would wear. This necklace. Everything in this is so mystical, magical. Yes, I would wear this. Yes, 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 and yes. All right, let's get into this. I kind of gotta pick up the speed. This pretty necklace. Yes, I would wear. It's pretty. Oh wow, this is cool. For a beachy moment. Yes, I would wear. Of course. Wow. Everything in here is literally amazing. These teardrop silver earrings. Yes, I would wear. These cutesy, adds a pop of color, these little gemstone earrings. I usually don't wear stuff like this, but these, look at the colors. Yes, I would wear. These cutesy, simple silver Yes, I would wear. This bracelet. It is really cute. It's not my style, so I would not wear it. Might be the only thing I would wear in the store because it's absolutely amazing. These white earrings. Yeah, I would wear it. This matching necklace to those earrings, and guess what? It's double-sided. Yes, I would wear it. Yes. Yes! Okay, let's go to this Unreal. Just kind of pinky in there. Oh my. Another piece blowing me away. Yes, I would wear. Okay, this is the last one. This is crazy. I love this jar. I'm going to tag the seller in the comments. Silver detailed necklace. And this jar in itself is perfection. It's a little bit, okay, there we go. Yes. Yes. That was the biggest success ever. Literally the only thing I wouldn't wear is this bracelet. And it's still really cute. Look at these rings. This ring, and then this ring is tilted. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Oh my gosh, thanks for watching. Follow me.